Your bank doesn't want you to be rich. I know that sounds crazy, but think about it. How does a bank make money? Off your money, and if you're poor, they make more. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how your bank profits from keeping you broke and what to do about it. Stay with me. Reason number 1, the interest gap. Here's how it works. You deposit your paycheck into a savings account. The bank pays you almost nothing, maybe 0.01%. Then they take your money and lend it out. Credit cards at 25%, car loans at 8%, mortgages at 6%. They're paying you pennies and charging others dollars. The gap between what they pay you and what they charge is their profit. But that's just the beginning. When you don't have enough money, you borrow more. And borrowing more means paying more interest. The bank loves this. They want you to stay in debt because your debt is their profit. That's the interest gap. Reason number 2, fees. Overdraft fees, maintenance fees, late payment fees, ATM fees. These fees hit the hardest when you have the least money. If you have $5,000 in your account, you probably don't pay many fees. But if you're living paycheck to paycheck, one small mistake, and boom, $35 overdraft fee. And the bank knows this. They know that poor customers generate more fee income than rich customers. So they design their fee structure to profit from your struggle. That's the fee trap. Reason number 3, the mindset. Banks don't just want your money, they want your belief. They want you to believe that you're bad with money, that you'll always be poor, that you need their credit cards, their loans, their overdraft protection. Because if you believe you need them, you'll never leave. But here's the truth. The bank is not your friend. The bank is a business, and like any business, its goal is to maximize profit. Sometimes, your financial success and their profit are aligned, but often, they're in direct conflict. And when that happens, the bank will choose profit every time. That's the mindset trap. So what can you do? 3 steps. Step 1. Move your savings to a high-yield account. Earn 4 to 5% instead of 0.01%. Step 2. Check your statements. Question every fee. Demand waivers. Step 3. Stop thinking of the bank as your friend. It's a tool. Use it wisely. The bank doesn't want you to be rich, but you don't need their permission. You just need to understand the game. If you want more of what banks don't want you to know, follow for more. Your future self will thank you.